Want to learn how to create a split screen effect in Photoshop? Let's get started. Begin by opening your chosen images in Photoshop. Ensure each image is in its own tab within the same Photoshop window. We'll use a portrait and a landscape photo. Select one image, like the portrait, to use the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Draw a selection around your chosen image, then click and drag the selected layer onto the tab of your second image. This action merges them into one document, with the portrait image on a new layer above the landscape image. Use the Move tool to reposition it. Resize the portrait image by navigating to Edit Greater Than Free Transform, or pressing Ctrl+T+CMDT on Mac, then resize it. To add effects, select the portrait image layer in the Layers panel, click at Adjustment Layer and choose a color correction, like black and white, or color balance. Customize the settings to achieve your desired look. There you have it. A professional split screen effect is now complete. Experiment with different layouts, images, and effects, and remember to save your work.